Appreciate it. Why'd I raise my finger when I said that? I meant to do peace, but only this came out. Working on that. It is way too beautiful of a day to not go for a cruise. And actually at the moment I'm committing a crime by not having the top down. Here it is actually 26 degrees Celsius, which is almost 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And to top things off, it is a late Friday afternoon. And we're out on some nice paved country back roads. Unfortunately here in Alberta, country paved back roads mean a lot of straight lines. But regardless, this is the perfect car to be out here in. Feels like I'm in a sauna, but good thing the Z4 has AC, or else I'd be in a very dark place. I've really been enjoying this 2003 BMW Z4. Besides insurance here being over the top for a 20-year-old like myself. I'd be lying if I said a couple tickets way back aren't a contributing factor though. I just missed my turn. 26 degrees is the hottest we've had it out here in southern Alberta so far this spring. And overall, I think that calls for a great day and hopefully a great weekend. The Z4 turns on a dime, thankfully. Surely being built for turns and mountain roads and curvy roads, unlike most of the roads out here you find in the prairies. All right, turning the AC off. Suddenly feel very exposed. I'm really hoping that the wind with the top down does not mess with my microphone. So there's about 3 locations I have in mind that are just really fun roads that are close by this area that I'm in right now to drive. All 3 of these locations are winding roads, unlike so far. But boy, is it a beautiful day, and my back is sweating. Man, you've just gotta love when the weather's right on a Friday. Seems like second weekend rolls around, weather goes downhill. This is good. This is what we needed. Hope the camera's not shaking around too much. There's a running event that's going to be going on down here soon. I think it's a ultra marathon. Can't imagine that. It's so beautiful out here. What more can you really ask for? Hopefully we don't have to drive by too many people, you know, when we got the whole camera setup thing going. Park right here in the shade under the brush. Totally forgot I had these lens filter for my GoPro. So I guess let me know if you see a difference. Now, cool. Looks awesome. This should cut out the glare from the sun and just look better overall. So you guys can hopefully hear the birds are chirping. It's beautiful out here. Let's head up the road. Surprisingly, haven't lost a hat. Definitely get a nice farmer's tan out here. hope this video turns out, because this suction cup mount I got for the windshield could be a game changer. Make it a lot easier to get some higher quality footage. That's something I found with this car compared to the RAV4. It's so tight, it's hard to get good shots in. Going down. I don't drive very crazy here, but you know, just enjoy the beautiful view. I might need to go for a walk down to the river or something. It's beautiful. Isn't too crazy or anything at all, but it can go pretty quick. But what I love about it, maybe the convertible aspect helps, but you don't have to drive very crazy or very fast to have a lot of fun. Appreciate it. Why'd I raise my finger when I said that? I meant to do peace, but only this came out. Working on that. Thank you guys so much for watching.